good morning. I finally arrived here in Russia. Hello, I'm Snowy. I'm in Russia. Wait.
Electricity is off.
Hello guys, are you still there? My husband get the card to the hotel. We're in the hotel, guys. We will stay here in Moscow for 1 day. Supposedly we will stay here 1 day, but my husband decided we stay another day here before going to his city because it's more expensive the train today. Tomorrow it's more cheaper. Kaya bukas na kami uuwi sana, pero mag-i-inquire muna siya sa reception kung may available na room dito para di magstay kami ng another day. And then hello guys, new update. We're here. We will extend another day here in Moscow. So we transfer to another room. Here's our room. More bigger room because this is available. Look. So I show you our room. Room tour. So here's and from the door, it's the toilet. Here, it's the shower, bathtub. It's all shower cup, shampoo, shower gel, lotion, conditioner. Yun guys. And a big mirror. And then may another. Mas malaki dun sa una namin na guys. Na pinagstayhan, standard room yun. So mas malawak to. And then yun nasa 5th floor. Ito nasa 9th floor. So look. Meron siyang parang mini sala. So nandyan yung bed. Couch. Tas may table. Tas ito guys, yung pwede nyong pagsabitan ng damit. Ito para sa mga damit nyo. Hindi ko na bubuksan. Kasi yung damit namin nandito sa luggage. So hindi na rin kami maglalabas ng mga gamit. Kasi 1 day lang naman kami dito. So yan guys, may din, TV. Hey Snow! Ayan yung bed, ang laki. Ang lawak. Then my table para mag-work ka. Tapos ito yung guys, meron silang veranda na maliit. And that's the view. Buildings. And mamaya guys, we will go to the Red Square. We will explore the Red Square guys. So yun lang, quick update lang guys. Naka-transfer na kami sa another room and clear naman yung room namin na nauna. So mare-refund namin yung 5,000. And na para sa aso, deposit para sa aso. But here, since nag-transfer kami sa another room, we pay again another 1,500 for Snowy kasi yun nga, may kasama kaming aso. Hindi na yun refundable, guys. So, another 1.5 again. Which is understandable naman. Pero syempre, ano din, sayang din yun. Pero, ang magandang balita is nagkapag-extend kami and makakapag-explore kami dito sa Moscow. Kasi hindi na rin naman kami babalik dito. So, better, i-explore na namin ng isang buong araw. So, ngayon guys, husband is booking for our ticket in the train before kami kumain and then lalabas kami mamaya. This, yung ano namin, room. Ganda niya. Ang gandang lawak. Ayan. Sorry, nahilo na ba kayo? Ayan. We're here on our second room. And I will make a video then sa Red Square later. So, see you guys. And see you on my next vlog. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye!